Good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the public awareness about the environment. We already have started about the what is the importance of the environment subject, and we already discussed about how environment is related to the life of a human being. So every one of us is depend on the agricultural product for their energy need. So nature is very important parameter in the existence of every human being. So environment is very important subject. So if there is a proper drinking water for the drinking purpose in the river or well, then only there is a development of the uh, human as well as living thing. Therefore, environment is very important subject. So right now we are facing different problems because of the disturbance of the environment. There are various other parameters which are affecting our environment. So in this environment awareness, every human being should have the well awareness about the environmental problems, and you should balance the environment. You should not make any harm to the environmental equilibrium of the environment. If it is happen, then only we can live without any trouble. Otherwise we have to face the different trouble or different problems which are related to our life. So we want a proper drinking water. So if the proper drinking water is our necessity, then you have to protect the water bodies from their subsequent pollution. If we want a good quality air, then you should not do any impact which will cause the air pollution. You should use the bicycle, or you should use the alternative natural solution in order to reduce the environmental pollution. Then only you can get the proper and good quality of the air for respiration and other purpose. So there is a very important need to save the environment. Therefore, this subject is having very important uh, and this subject is got very importance right now because we are facing various severe problem. In previous year we are facing a heavy rainfall, and there is a loss of lives and the property because of the flooding in our areas. So this is only because of the imbalancing of the environment. So it is very important to save the environment. Therefore we want to study, we want to know what is the environment and how it is related to the to our life, and how to save that environment. It is very important subject. So every one of us, either it is from civil or mechanical engineering or computer or any discipline of the engineering, then every student must know what is the environment, how it is related to the human life, and how to save the environment. That is very important. That's why we are learning this subject, environmental study. So there are various other problems which are caused due to loss of the equilibrium of the environment. So there is a natural cycle. So there is a loss of the life of the human being because of imbalancing of the environment. So in this subject we are studying every parameters of the environment, and we resolving or we are solving the problems which are caused due to the imbalance of the environment.